Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Herlina Azwani. I'm from A class, and today I would like to tell you a story called The Little Girl Who Planted Hope. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills, there lived a kind and cheerful girl named Lily. She was only 12 years old, but she had a big dream. She wanted her village to become the most beautiful place in the country. Every morning, Lily walked to school through a dusty road. Along the way, she noticed that there were fewer trees than before. Many people had cut them down to build houses and shops. During the dry season, the weather became hotter, and during the rainy season, floods often come. One day, Lily asked her grandfather, "Grandpa, why is our village changing?" Her grandfather smiled and steadily and replied, "Nature always gives us what we need, but if we keep taking without giving back, one day there will be nothing to live." Those words stayed in Lily's mind. The next day, she found a few small trees seed near her house. She decided to plant them in an empty field. Her neighbors watched her and laughed. "You're just a little girl," one man said. "This tiny seed won't change anything." Lily simply smiled and continued digging small holes in the ground. Every afternoon after school, she watered the seeds. She protected them from animals and removed the weeds around them. They turned into weeks, and weeks turned into moons. Finally, little green leaves appeared. Lily was so happy that she invited her classmates to see the young trees. "Let's plant more," she said. Some of her friends agreed, while others thought it was a waste of time. But Lily never gave up. Soon, her friends started bringing seed from their own gardens. They planted mango trees, coconut trees, and colorful flowers around the village. The school principal noticed their hard work and organized a Green Village Day. Teachers, students, and parents worked together to plant hundreds of trees. As the years passed, the village slowly changed. The road became cooler because of the shade from the trees. Birds returned and built nests on the branches. Butterflies flew among the flowers, and children played happily in the parks. One summer, a nearby village experienced a severe drought. The rivers almost dried up. And however, Lily's village still had enough water because the trees help keep the soil moist and protect the environment. People from other villages came to ask, "How did your village stay so green?" The villagers smiled and pointed at Lily. "It all started with one little girl and one tiny seed." Lily had grown into a young woman, but she was still humble. She said, "I didn't change the village alone. I only planted the first seed. Everyone else planted hope together." Her word inspired many people. Soon, schools from different cities invited Lily to share her story. She always carried a small tree seed in her pocket. At the end of every speech, she would hold up the seed and say, "This little seed looks small, but inside is the power to create forests, protect animals, and give clean air to future generations." The same is true for kindness. One small action can grow into something amazing. One day, a little boy approached her. He asked, "Can I really make a difference even if I'm just a child?" Lily smiled and handed him to sit. "Of course," she answered. "Every big change begins with one person who is brave enough to start." The boy planted that seed in his own village. Years later, people said that thousands of trees had grown because one little girl believed that even the smallest action mattered. And that is why, whenever people walk through the cool green forest, listen to birds singing, or enjoy fresh air, they remember a simple lesson. We do not need to be powerful to change the world. We only need to care enough to take the first step. The moral of the story is never underestimate small action. One act of kindness, one good decision, or one tiny seed can grow into something that changes the lives of many people. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.